What you gotta say, baby?
Anniversary!
Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary.
Hey.
It's our anniversary.
We lame.
Oh, gosh.
Sorry, can you turn around? I said I got a surprise for you.
Okay.
You want to know what the surprise is?
Yes.
What you think it is?
A video?
Nope.
That's my guess. Oh, baby, that's so sweet. On our way to the lake. That one right there. 6 years. How does it feel?
Feels like 6 days.
Okay, sir. You were really.
I got a surprise for you.
What surprise?
You gotta wait till we get on the boat.
What the? We not doing surprises.
It's a no-wake zone. Game warden is out. Trying to give out tickets. I got the cops behind me.
Marie.
And why they messing with me out here? I ain't did nothing.
What you wanna do? What you wanna do, babe? You're so extra. What you wanna do? Marek of MarekBush. Which one do you go? That one or that one?
Police chase!
It's a police chase. Yeah.
Police on the water!
You thought that their flow wasn't fast enough. He's like, oh, it's fast. Babe, stop, please, stop.
Trying to figure out how to work the radio.
That you said you knew how to work, but you don't.
She's mad at me because the radio on the boat is broken.
No, say why I'm mad. Because you said you knew how to work it, but you don't know how.
She's mad at me because the radio's broken. I don't need no music. I made my own party. I'll grab it. And it's nothing too big, nothing too crazy. I just wanted to do something a little special for you.
Okay, what?
So I'm here in the car. Kothney-Issa's at home. She's actually on like a Zoom call with her sister and her cousin. So this was a good chance for me to sneak out of the house a little bit. And today it was perfect because I actually wanted to shoot this video. Today is July 24th, the day before our anniversary. This year with everything that's going on and the pandemic and stuff, it's kind of tough to be comfortable doing a lot of the things that you would normally do. So we got a boat, and the one thing I was able to do to kind of try to make this special for her is her, the recording artist, is one of her favorite artists, and she loves that song Every Kind of Way. And so I actually reached out to an artist that we know in real life, which is also one of her favorite artists, and asked her if she would be willing to do a cover of that song, and she came through and she just sent the track over. I just downloaded it. It sounds amazing. So I'm gonna play it for Kothney-Issa. And you know, what else do you do on a boat besides listen to great music? So let's see if she can recognize who it is, and just see how she reacts to it.
Maybe the sound of you better than a harmony. I want you off my mind.
She doesn't know. Who is this?
Holding me closer than we've ever been before.
You think this is her?
No, it sounds different.
Who is it? This was recorded. This was recorded specifically for you, for this. Because you told me that her.
Is that Tiffany? Aww, is that Tiffany? What? I wanna take my time all night. I wanna love you in every kind of way. I wanna please you no matter how.
That's my favorite song.
The rushing into my
I did a good job. What you think?
Oh my God. And that's crazy.
She recorded it for you.
How you know?
She recorded it for you.
How you know?
I asked her to. I actually had to ask Elise to help me too. And I had to like delete all the messages and try to keep my phone away from you.
I don't even be in your phone like that. Why are you doing that?
I'm just saying I didn't want you to see anything. It's been like a month now. I started working with them like a month ago, just so they had enough time. So Elise helped me get in touch. And that's why I asked you, what was your favorite song?
I do remember you asking me that.
I figured one of your favorite songs by one of your favorite artists.
Baby, that's so sweet. Play it again. She sounds so good. Well, does she sound so good? Maybe the sound of you better than a honey.
I figured I could do something small, at least, since Corona.
Holding me closer than we've ever been before. This night is real. Okay, it's not recorded.